Hi guys, and welcome back to Semajical Reviews, where I'm reviewing another YouTuber. Yeah, not just one YouTube video, but a whole channel. The Thrifty Typewriter. That's right. Now this guy on YouTube covers videos in a wide range of topics, from film reviews to connected universe videos. Like, seriously, he has them for the Conjuring universe and Cloverfield and X-Men and so on and so on. He's a big fan of The Walking Dead, so you can expect to see retrospectives of each season of that being uploaded each month to his channel. Well, and episodes of reviews of every individual episode. As a matter of fact, I discovered his channel last year and was originally subscribed through my old channel. I then rediscovered him on this channel, resubscribed, and created a playlist of his videos, but not all of them. Only select videos, nearly 40 in total. And they're all good videos, the ones that I've got on there so far. And he's a good YouTuber, you should check him out. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description of this video for those who are interested. Well, that's all I'm going to have to say in this short time about Thrifty. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a magical time.